right.
I'm gonna do it for you. I'm gonna do it. All right. What song is this? Okay. Yellow Swiss. Look at so much talent. I don't honey.
Yeah, you like it? All right.
I love it.
All right. Here's another song I actually just wrote this today. And this is specifically for this set.
You want me to dance again?
Oh, yeah, totally.
Okay. Hold on.
Here's your picture.
Yes!
That was the song. Yeah. that.
That's very beautiful.
You like that? Alright. As long as you can dance to it, that is what matters. And he likes it. Here's a song called Barbara. And this is for Barbara. I don't know anybody named Barbara except for my aunt.
My name's Two Trains.
And I'm pretty sure this never happened to Barbara, my aunt. So, I don't know who it's for.
Sure?
I'm
One more
sure,
song.
I'm sure.
Hey!
Do you guys want to like move in more, or like you can hear everything, or what? I have no idea.
Sing me one more song, good?
You
Good.
only want to do one more.
Hell yeah!
Alright, I got 2 more songs. Oh!
Did I good?